Hey guys, another episode of our vlog. Today is it's my final day in the island, and I'm going on vacation finally for a year. So going back home, back to the Philippines, and I'm ready now. Like everything is packed right now. So my bag is here, and then my luggage is in the car already. So I'm almost ready. I gotta miss this for a month. Then next month gonna be back again. October. That's gonna be another year, so that I can go for vacation. So yeah, here we go. The car is ready down there, almost. So let me finish everything, and I will pick up Chef Philip. Philip is dropping me today. So thank you, Chef Philip. So now everything's ready. I'm in the car. I'm ready to pick up Chef Philip. It's a final day in the island. I see you in a month. Yes, I will tour you in the Philippines, especially in the island where I live. Actually. So my flight is gonna be Cayman Airways. Cayman to LA, then Los Angeles to Hong Kong, then Hong Kong to the Philippines, then Philippines to my hometown. That's gonna be a long flight, but that's what they do. Yeah, he is there. Bye-bye.
Ready na ka, bay?
Ready to bye.
Wow, enjoy lang, bay.
Say hello, bye. Di ba?
Ha? Ang vlog din eh. Masakit mag-vlog ka. Wala ka duty gapon.
Bakong duty.
Oh, please, Tony. Please, Tony.
Now heading to the airport. Yeah, man.
Goodbye, Kiman po na. Powder niya na ka ng pasta.
Bye. Order ikaw, bye. Pinutang mo naman. I am the airport now. I just checked in my luggage. I got like excess for 3 pounds. That's about a kilo. Yeah, it's like $75 charge. But anyway, I just removed some of those like 1 kilo. So yeah, I'm good. So I'm going in the gate now. Just to go inside. Check in now. There's all the gates down here. Right. Thank you, sir. Eating a burger at the what is it, Wendy's by the airport. Just came on airport. Yeah, my flight is at 3:30, but it's just only 2 o'clock. That's the Wendy's by the airport.
Los Angeles, California, where the local time is approximately 7:10 p.m. To avoid injuries to yourself or to others, please remain seated.
California. Got mine. Ready to move. Ready to go. This is how busy the LA airport. Oh, there's so many pack of people, right? These all travelers. You go on that side too, same things. Pack. Yeah, this is LA airport.
Lang, di pa si vlog ba yan?
Yeah. After pila ka tuig do? 20 years?
20 years? Buram siyang si Kuan
Okay.
Sige.
Mm.
Barangay pa. Kani, gusto nyo kag Pilipino, nadali ito ka. Filipino restaurant, Dollar Eats, nadali ka na.
Dati ata na?
Jollibee, ano dali kong video.
So, saan yung lugar ha dire?
West Covina,
West Covina,
California.
California. Tunis Barbecue.
Nakala niya. Kaya, gusto Filipino, Dollar Eats.
Puro mga Pilipino dire ba?
Na. Jollibee, oh.
Jalig dire ba?
Napay, one dito, Red Ribbon.
Di ka mga kwadre ba?
Homeless Filipino. Oh, see? Red Ribbon. DJ Bibingka. Seafood City. Mana yung
Karamihan dire.
one cappuccino? And then cappuccino.
Small.
Small.
Home Depot. Home Depot with Kuya Kim ba? O sige, sige. Kim ba? Kompleto sa kendo ba?
Walk. 8:31 na dito.
Going to Hollywood.
Turn left.
Ha?
Tutan
Mau gani. Oh.
tawag at ticket mo na.
Oh. Agre tangkap.
Yay.
Lara din diri sa kanto-kanto.
Oh.
Oh. Adong, thank you kayo ba? Thank you sa tour ba? Salamat sa tour ba sa
Oh, may problema na dong.
Waka diri, di ko kapot diri ba?
Michael Jackson, oh. Queen Latifah, Luffy, Tommy Lee Jones, Mickey Mouse.
Basta lugar Hollywood ano?
Oh, Walk of Fame, Hollywood. At totoo na, hindi pa itaon totoo yung Hollywood na
Oo.
kuwan. Kanang
Sign.
side.
Will be cheater ba? Namday diri ni tanan. Namday sa Hollywood. Ha? Asa man?
Gusto ko dito
Oh,
sa
dito sa picture ko di on yung.
Orong ko diya, suganti ka.
airport. Yeah, back home. Thank you, dong ah.
Brother.
Bradley Airport.
Anak ka sud na dia
Oh.
sa taas.
Next time.
Next time. Naglawas ganas mo ako. 50 sa ba ka do?
52 na ako, dong.
50 pa ang sunod to.
Oh, 52 na ako ba? Dong, salamat yung kayo, dong ba?
Di ba na nung
Until next time ba?
till next time.
That's lang to Hong Kong na.
Please mind your step.
This is the Hong Kong airport bathroom. Sweet home. Hi, morning. I'm in Manila now. Finally. Yeah. Another flight tomorrow at 6. Going to my hometown. So, we're good. Just waiting for the next flight for tomorrow. Where's my hometown? So, yeah, everything's closed now. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, and then the next flight is gonna be I think at 7 o'clock in the morning. So now I'm here upstairs where I can stay. I don't know. We'll see. So this is the final destination from I'm in Manila right now. Home sweet home. Right, and please again don't forget to subscribe and follow on my IG and then my Facebook page. Thank you. Naked Mixology. So now we are inside the plane right now. Look at this. The Cebu Pacific, by the way. That's the airline company. Yeah. See you soon. Smoke inside this plane, right?
Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Cebulan Airport in Dumaguete. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
I have to pick up my luggage. That's it. That's the luggage area down there. Travel is good. Like 3 days. No rest. Long flight. Because I get layover in LA for like 1 day. So it's like about 3 days. Right. This is for now.